If you're a gal who's busy, if you're a gal who's on the go, you need to get this. The fact that it fits into the bag, that's what's blowing my mind. Heck yeah, you've got a GHD in my bag. Hello everyone. Today I'm so excited because I get to talk to you about the GHD Unplugged. It is something that honestly has like come from my wildest dreams. I've never thought that GHD was gonna have a cordless GHD, but there is, and this is the bad boy. So this GHD Unplugged is cordless, it's powerful, and it's rechargeable. I can say I've tested this over the weekend and I'm obsessed with it. It's honestly performed just as good as your original iron. So the fact that I can now bring this, if I'm doing a little road trip or on the go, this can just fit in so nicely everywhere you need. So let's talk charging. It's really easy. It takes 2 hours to charge. It comes with this, which is the charger, and you can pretty much plug this into a power point if you have one nearby. But because this whole thing is for the go, it's just a USB port. So you plug the cord into here, and you could put this into your laptop, you can put it into your carport, wherever you really charge your iPhone, you can charge this baby. So you just turn it on here, go like that, it'll beep. You then wait a few seconds and it'll give you a beep to tell you that it's ready. While that's waiting to beep, going to brush my hair and prepare to style it. I'm also gonna, okay, that was beep, we just heard it. Okay, I'm now gonna also spray my hair with the GHD Bodyguard. Again, this is a travel size. Cute little combo if you wanted to bring these both with you. So I'm just gonna quickly spritz my hair. Okay, so my hair is brushed and I've got my heat protectant spray in, all powered on. So we're gonna use that and I wanna show you just how easy it is to use. So my go-to hairstyle, I kind of have some bangs at the front of my face. Just go outwards against my face with a C motion and I pull the iron down. You get an effect like that. I can really imagine this. You finished work and you're going to go straight from work for drinks, and the fact that you can now have a wireless GHD to complete these touch-ups, that's just amazing. Okay, so this is the final look. Perfect for a touch-up. I feel like it really does the job. I honestly can't tell the difference from the original iron to using the Unplugged. So if you want to have good hair anytime, anywhere, you know that the GHD Unplugged certainly does that. It's going to work in all hair types, just like the normal GHDs. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And all I have to say is, if you're a gal who's busy, if you're a gal who's on the go, you need to get this. It's going to make your life so much easier. You're going to have on point hair 24/7. So add this to your wish list, check out, buy it now. I promise you it's the best.